Mo, I got $10 cash app for the first person to comment. Oh, where he come from? Yeah, you going on the bike, Mo. What's up? What it do, y'all? We back at it with another hold up, what's that right? It's like something right there. You see that? Look, hit that like, look, hit that button real quick for me. But yeah, what's up, y'all? So today we just gonna have a little vlog going on for y'all, just something slight. We ain't doing no top speed test or no wheelie tutorials or nothing like that. But we might be riding some bikes today, so y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, y'all, we gonna make a nice little quick little video for y'all, get y'all something to watch. And I'm just trying to build up my subscriber base. Today we at the auto spa. We at the Spot Auto Spa. So if you need your car washed, look, come get your car washed by the finest. Let me show y'all what we gonna do actually. We actually gonna get this 450 right. There's not nothing wrong with it for real. It just got a leak in the back tire. I don't know why it got a leak in the jump, to be honest. I just took the joint to Hazer and they got me right. So Hazer, like, what's going on with my bike, Mo? So no, but I think it's something wrong with the valve stem, because it's just air leaking out this joint. I'm gonna ask my uncle. I think it's a little tool you can use to tighten up the little stem inside of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that joint right across the street to Asian Imports and see what they could get shaking for me. But man, y'all see my baby? She for sale too. So if anybody want to buy her, look, hit me in the DM on IG. I got y'all. Give me 3,500. You could have her. 2016 big full fishy, not the little full fishy, the big full fishy. Y'all, we back. My boy just got me right, boy. My boy Tay. Go ahead, Tay. Tell him something.
Just had to fix his valve stem, you know what I'm saying? Had to, take the cap off the motherfucking bike.
Yeah.
Use the other side, fix this stem. Now, ain't no leaks and shit.
Before it was air leaking straight out of the joint. Now we Gucci gang. His cap off his KX. That joint, it had like a little piece where it tightened up the air stem inside of that joint. And now we good. I thought I was gonna have to take the whole rim off, y'all, and take that joint to Hazer and see if they could get me right. But look, now we good. So she for sale now. Look, she really for sale now. Who won her? Oh, matter of fact, we about to put the spoke covers on the front wheel. I got y'all. We got some content for y'all. Look, I'm gonna be right back. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. About to go ahead and throw the pink and green. We gonna match the bike. Since this nigga Ron, if you watching this, bro, your ass was supposed to put him on the front too. But I ain't gonna throw no shade, my boy. You did the back for me, so look, I was cool with that. Oh, you missed some too, bro. Oh, nah, I'm throwing some shade at you now, my boy. You missed endless, nigga. God damn. But all right, y'all, we might go ahead and set this camera up for y'all. And we're gonna go ahead and throw the front on. I'll probably fast forward all of this, but. Y'all, out of nowhere. Oh, he coming for the bite. Oh, nah, no. Oh, yeah, baby. Hey, them drains bite. So I can't pick his ass up. Let's see if he, nah. Dang, man, how did he get in here? He got on the chair and everything too. Like, how this nigga end up on the chair at that? I was just sitting on this joint too. Oh, where he come from? Yeah, you going on the bike, man. Your green ass. Get. Yeah, he on the bike now. Hey, bro, that's sweet. He trying to run from you. Where you going, little nigga? You going, little nigga? Little nigga. He trying to run. Little nigga, where you going? Hey, doing Willie. Wait, can they fly? So why you walking? Oh, he's still a baby. He can't do shit. Alright, y'all, never mind shorty, but look. We done, y'all. Finally finished this drink. Looking sweet. She's looking sweet. And I was hearing a little ticking noise, y'all. I thought I had some valve problems. But Tay to the rescue again. He said I just need a little roller right here. I was hearing this drink just hit, and I'm like, bro, what is that ticking noise, bro? So, know me. Y'all know how I do. We improvise, so my bad, Caleb. We gotta take this drink off your bike, man. It's all good. I'm gonna order another one, so I got you, bro. I got you, Caleb. I got you. But yeah, now we just gonna throw this bad boy on here, and we back in action, man. Oh, what time it is? Y'all already know what time it is. Let's tighten her up. All right, y'all, she ready now, man. We got all the spoke covers on there, so she's looking sweet. Go ahead, I swapped out Caleb's little roller, put that drink on there. That little chicken noise gone. Now, it's time to take it for a spin, y'all. Tay behind the camera now.
Low?
We on the hill though.
I about to say, try going on flat ground. It look low though. You ain't add nothing after you started?
I had changed the oil on it probably like a month ago. But for real, I was just looking at that shit. I didn't really calculate how much I put in there. I was just looking at it.
Yeah, sometimes you can't go off of that all the time.
Oh yeah.
Coolant. You check your coolant and all that.
Shit, low coolant too. God damn, bro.
That's one thing you always gotta check. I check those mainly.
Yeah.
Before I go out or before I ride, that's all I check. Gas, coolant, and fucking your oil.
Getting her. Mo, that joint sound mean. That joint a whole monster, bruh. No cap, this joint is a whole monster. Y'all, this is first time riding it too. Damn. Shit, that's your first time. What you think?
Ride good.
She ride good? No cap. Wait.
First time on the 450.
Bro, that's your first time on the 450?
Hell no.
Oh, you said it's not your first
Not
time.
my first time.
Oh,
My
shit.
first time on the KX450 though. But
Yeah, shit.
CRF 450, YZF 450.
Yeah, he already, man, he bike life, bro. Once you can ride one bike, you can ride any bike. I already knew he could ride it. This is his first time riding it. And shit, he comfortable. How many hours she got now? 85, Mo. Who could tell me how many hours I bought the joint with? Cause that means you loyal to the channel and you know how many hours when I bought it. Cause I said it in the video. So whoever can tell me, Mo, I got $10 Cash App for the first person to comment how many hours I have for this video. We gonna see. $10 Cash App. We gonna see who loyal and who not. Oh y'all, this a beauty, Mo. I'm gonna probably see who out tonight. I'm gonna probably go try to hit the city. To be honest, y'all, I don't even really. I like going out the city, but I'd rather be in Maryland with it. The Maryland streets, they not as tight. I mean, I know I'm not the best wheelier and all, but I mean, I could slow wheelie a lot, but I can't hit turns and shit like that. Them 90-degree angle turns, but it's all good. We gonna see if some niggas out riding out in PG. If not, look, probably gonna hit the city, but I guess that concludes today's vlog, y'all. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna be back tomorrow with something different. But Twin Culture out.